Hello, myself Amita Saraswat, lecturer Chemistry Department, MLV Government College, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Today we will start with Environmental Chemistry for SEM 3rd, Unit 3rd, Soil Chemistry. What is soil? The word soil is derived from Latin word solum, which means earthy material in which plants can grow. The study is commonly referred as soil science or edaphology. Chemical profile of soil. There are four major components of soil in which it consists mineral matter, organic matter, soil water and soil air. The composition of these elements are mineral matter is approx 40%, organic matter is approx 10%, soil water is approx 25% and soil air approx 25%. Soil can be described as three-phase system: solid phase, in which mineral and organic matter is included; liquid phase, in which soil water; and gaseous phase, in it contains various gases. When completely dry or frozen soil, the soil become a two-phase system where the liquid phase become either absent or part of the solid phase. Each phase has many constituents, therefore the whole system is complex and continuous changes never bring it in equilibrium. First, solid phase. It is a soil material which is less than 2 millimeter in size. Soil having greater than 20% organic constituent are arbitrarily designed as organic soil and mineral soil where inorganic constituent dominates. In India, mainly mineral soils are more inorganic constituent. The bulk of soil is formed of silicates having a definite chemical composition and a well-defined crystalline structure. A typical soil contains a variety of elements which are geographically distributed on the basis of their bonding characteristics into five main groups. First is lithophile elements. These elements get readily ionized, forming oxyanions. These are lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, barium, strontium, manganese, iron, silicon, boron, gallium, germanium, tin, bismuth, nickel, cobalt, sulfur, selenium, copper, zinc. Second is chalcophile elements. These elements tend to form covalent bonds with sulfide ions such as iron, nickel, cobalt, copper, zinc, lead, molybdenum, silver, antimony, tin, indium, tellurium, arsenic, bismuth, gallium, germanium, sulfur, selenium, arsenic, etc. Third is siderophile elements. These elements such as iron, cobalt, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium and aurum are capable of forming metabolic bonds. Fourth is atmosphere elements. Elements like oxygen, nitrogen, helium, neon, argon tend to remain in atmospheric gases. And last, fifth is biophile elements. These elements remain associated with living organisms such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, tin, vanadium, beryllium, etc. The soil is essentially a silicate mineral. The composition of common elements in soil is mainly it is oxygen, which is approx 46.6%, silica, which is 27%, iron 5%, aluminium 8%, calcium 3.6%, sodium 2.8%, potassium 2.6%, magnesium 2%. Finally, divided quartz SiO2 commonly occurs among the silicates. Orthoclase, which is KAAL, Si3O8, albite, which is NaAl, Si3O8, and epidote, 4 CaO, 3 Al Fe का whole twice O3. 6 SiO2.H2 are common components of soil minerals. These are the examples of common silicates which is found in earth crust. In some soils, iron oxide, which is FeOOH, magnetite Fe3O4, Mn2O3, TiO and calcium carbonate are relatively abundant, मतलब ये काफी मात्रा में पाए जाते हैं. The clay mineral in soil are secondary minerals, essentially hydrated aluminum and iron silicates which serve to bind cations such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium and ammonium. These elements are not leached by water and are available in plant nutrients. Rocks which form the earth crust are made up of minerals. Second, organic constituents in soil. The organic matter content of soil varies from 3 to 5% by weight in topsoil. In addition to the partly decayed plant and animal residues, soil organic matter contains microbially synthesized compounds. Change of biological starts and new organisms take over the work of old organisms. Thank you. ये बंद करना है.